Hello, I have an order here from Basically. I ordered three things from her shop. Some frames, a paper bundle, here I'll remove it, over here, and then her Spring Greens journaling box. This is how it looks without the wrapping, and honestly, it just looks very beautiful. I'll first open up this, which is the frames I ordered from her. I believe this was, she's based in the UK, so it's, I think it was 4 British sterling, or a British pound. Yeah, 4 pounds. So here are the frames in different sizes. There's gray, black, white. Very nice. This is her, I think these are freebies. I have a pet tape sample. This is her note, and that's her Instagram. Okay, now the paper bundle cost 18 British pounds. So the first thing is like yarn over here. There's a dark pink, a blue, and like a baby pink. And I just love her packaging. It looks like these are doilies. Beige and white, or brown. Some dried flowers over here. Yeah, the packaging is just so lovely and so nice. And I just can't get over it. Okay, so it looks like there's some ephemera. There's actually more in here. Yeah. I love these bits and pieces. Stamps, different types of papers. Okay, and then the next pack is here. Let me see if I can move this. It looks like she stamped these on here. These flowers are really pretty. So you have paper. I think those like plasticky. And these different types of papers and different textures. Very nice. Okay, so this is the last part of the paper bundle. Yeah, I just love all of this. And these are book pages. Let's see, this is kind of thick. Is this? Yeah, this is one piece. And then you have more papers over here. And some book pages from a dictionary, it looks like. And then lastly you have, oh, this is an envelope. Just a white envelope. Okay, and I believe if I remember correctly, this cost 45 pounds, something like that. Yeah, something like 45 pounds. This is just so lovely. And I love this box. Like, you can totally reuse this box. It's like a mint green color. Okay, yeah, okay, let's open this up first. Okay, so these are like cut out die cuts of yeah, just different doilies. And then you have this, which is there's yarn here. And just the two colors, green and like a cream color. Here are some wax seals in white and different shades of green. Very lovely. This is like very delicate. Okay, here is more ephemera. Here's a frame. Tickets. And some stamps. And I love the dried flowers on here. Here are some papers. I wonder if I can show it without like taking it out. But basically there's this leaf over here. And there's just these different types of paper. Very pretty. Okay, and so this looks like, is that a journal? I'm not entirely sure. Okay, there's dried flowers over here. I'm not sure if it's stuck to the back or what, but this is actually very pretty. I think there's stuff in here. Yeah, so it's not a journal. Okay, there I got everything out. So it's like a folder actually, not a journal. Very beautiful. Oh, this is by Lloyd Design. Classic-y. I love these frames. by Freckles Tea. Freckles Tea. I think I'm obsessed with these curated boxes. Okay, and it looks like this is kind of a bigger bundle of more ephemera. By the way, this box sold out pretty quick, I think within minutes or something. Or something like that. And I ordered it at the beginning of, yeah, like, this is so pretty. These are dried flowers. More doilies. Just different textured paper. You can use for journaling. Like, this is, like, look at that texture. Spirals. And then there's this. There's this envelope over here. Oh wow, look at this. Just random papers. And then book pages. That is it. I'm pretty happy with this order.